Hi guys, here is the owner of Genius Cakes. Genius Cakes is a cake business based in Bangalore. Guys, I want to share one fantastic experience with you all. So I'll start from here. So guys, my business is increasing day by day, but I am facing one problem. The difficulty to handle the customers is also increasing day by day. So what I need is I need some automation in respect of taking orders, customer service and delivery. The management of large number of queries of the customers is also necessary in order for the smooth flow of my business. So what recently I saw is that WHO and Government of India are using chatbots for creating the awareness about COVID-19 and solving the issues of citizens related to COVID-19. So what I thought is I can also use chatbots in my business. So I googled about chatbots platform in the Google. So I got to know about Mob.ai. Mob.ai is a platform which enables businesses to create their own chatbots. So guys, I will share my experience of Mob.ai and I will unbox the features of Mob.ai and how it benefited my business. So guys, this is the Mob.ai homepage, how it looks like. And first of all, we have to log in. I have already logged in. So this is how the login screen look like. So this is your, first of all, we have to log in and we get 30 days free trial for using and experimenting with Mob.ai chatbots, WhatsApp chatbots, Facebook, any platform you want. So this is the home. This is introduction section. Here is apply for WhatsApp Business API section. Here is build your use case section. So guys, in the introduction section, you get everything related to introductory information and which you need to know. And apply. You can apply for WhatsApp Business API if your business is very large, and build a use case. This is the basic information related to. Then there is audience section. Get to know the number of users who interacted and engaged with our chatbot and who had engaged with our chatbot. So for example, there are various number of people who have engaged with my chatbot and through what channel, last message, what they sent and message time. Everything related to our engagement of chatbot is given here. We can export this list into Excel format and we can study, which will help in decision making of our business. So here is converse section, analyze section. It is a tool of Mob.ai which gives various insights like number of users who engaged with your customer, engaged with your chatbot, and how many time it was engaged, in which area the chatbot was engaged the most. And then here is the most important section, configure section. Under this there is chat flow section. In chat flow section, guys, we design actual chatbot. We design conversation. Here is the recent conversation which I designed, a Genial Cake World. So guys, let's see how to design the chatbot. It is very simple and basic. So first of all, we have to start with starting rules. We have to keep it automatic. Starting rule is what? How your conversation will get started, how your conversation will get triggered. I have set it automatic and hi, start, hello, hey. These are the keywords, triggering words. So this is however it starts. So you can see here, I have written the first message, hey cake lover, welcome to Genial Cake World, the best destination to sweeten a special occasion, blah blah blah. And would you like to order your orders some cake today? So what we have to do is simply we have to first branch the conversation into number of messages. So for example, here I have written, would you like to order some cake today? Simply send yes to proceed. So I have to I have to give a particular reply against which this message will be sent. So here you can see I have enabled the option of wait for user to reply, and there I have written the accepted role type as free text and limit the reply to this option. If user will reply me with yes, and he or she will get another message which is this. See, great, may I know your special occasion? Choose from the options below. I will give the user with various options, for example birthday, anniversary, wedding. It is also same the previously what we did. See, for birthday cake send 1, for anniversary cake send 2, for wedding cake send 3. So when the user will reply with 1, so he will get the next message of birthday cakes. When he will reply with 2, he will get the next message of anniversary cakes. When he will reply with 3, he will get the next message of wedding cakes. So here also we have to enable the wait for user to reply option and validate reply option. We have to keep it type free text and limit reply to options 1, 2, 3. This is about it. After that, I have branched my conversation, which was birthday, anniversary, wedding. So we will understand by the birthday example. So guys, this is how the branch looks like. First of all, I have named my branch as birthday. And now this is very important. When this birthday message will go to the user, when the user the current message by the user will be 1 or birthday, the current message, and exactly this we can set conditions. We can set here. I have sent current message and when is exactly birthday, and these are the various values. Now as we go down, so here, so guys, see here, we can see that here is the chocolate message, the chocolate cake. When the user will reply us with the conditions and with the reply of this option A, capital A, or whether it's small a, the user will get the chocolate cake message. And there are various alternatives also, that when the user will reply with B, then he will get the message of pineapple cake. So in this way the branching is done to the page and branching is done to the block. And after that, if he or she will reply with C, then he or she might get butterscotch cake. So this is a personalized chat. According to user what he wants, accordingly he will get a reply. So in this way the chat is designed. So you can see I am scrolling down through it. So this was about birthday section, birthday block, birthday branch. So in this way the n numbers of branch can be created and the reply and condition to against that branch can be given so that user can get personalized messages. So this is how we can create our conversation. After creating our conversation, we have to just save our conversation, and we can say I have already saved, so I need not to save it once again. So after that we have to connect it with the sandbox or the trial account which we get. Here is the connect window is getting loaded. So guys, see here, WhatsApp sandbox, type WhatsApp Messenger build use case. I have already connected my chat to WhatsApp chat sandbox. We have to give the name business account, whether it is business account or bot, and we have to configure the widget by selecting and giving it a particular campaign. My default WhatsApp campaign is the recent which I have just created, the Genial Cake World campaign. So in this way we have to do this connection. This is how the connection window looks like. After that there is one more option here, is source. The source is works as the intermediate between Chatflow and the connect. Source is basically a link on which your chat will work. So the basic detail, my name is the name of my link is WhatsApp sandbox link. The number is the trial number which I have got from mob.ai sandbox, and there is configure the widget. When how the conversation will start, I have kept the welcome message as hi, and this is set up WhatsApp link. This is link. This link I will copy and I will send it to my customers, so he or she can start the conversation with the welcome message hi. Then we can save this source and we can float our chat throughout our customer base, chatbot throughout our customer base. So guys, you would have got the basic idea about mob.ai and how it is used. So this is about how it looks like. We have to create profile. I will summarize. There are various sections. The most important section is Chatflow, where we design our chatbot. So I will share my experience how it has benefited in my business. This helps me in what way there are n number of benefits which I have got. For example, I can answer queries of customer anytime 24/7 because it is activated all 24/7. I can take deliveries anytime when the customer orders. I can take orders and I can take delivery orders anytime. My engagement rate has got boosted. I can take personalized orders from users. Manpower has decreased. My efficiency of business has increased, and I can give instant answers to my users, which can ultimately lead to good customer service. And this will also lead to better lead generation, cost reduction, time saving, and high customer satisfaction. This is the main goal of my business. The customer should get satisfied. So I call my friends who they should use it Mop.ai, and they should use chatbots for their business, which will give their business n number of benefits. So this was all about my experience of Mop.ai and how I am using WhatsApp chatbot for my business. And this was all about. Thank you.
So guys, let's test whether the chatbot which we created with the help of Mop.ai platform is working or not. So let's start. I am going to the link and sending the triggering word, that is hi, which will start our conversation. So I have sent. See how quick it is. I am getting reply, welcome to the Jinal Cake World, and they are asking me yes to proceed. Yes, I will send yes. Now they are asking me for my occasion. So I want to buy cake for birthday, so I am sending one. So they are also asking me which flavor I need. So I want chocolate flavor. So I am sending A. Yes, they have understood my reply and they have sent me the photo of cake which I will get and the flavor. So you can see the chat is very interesting and it is very quick, and it will improve my customer service as well as my engagement rate with my customers, and which will ultimately help me in boosting my business. So this is the main benefit that I am getting with the help of the chatbot.